Bonjour mga kafeya! Bonjour Paris! Today we are preparing at meron tayong ibibisit na isang restaurant at the same time is isang grocery siya. They are located at Paris 14. So, we are trying to have the chance na ma-interview or makausap ang owner ng A-Mart. Let's see kung ano yung mga product nila, kung ano yung mga pagkain na meron doon. But as I check online and because they keep posting it on FB, so nakakatakam talaga siya kapag titingnan mo siya. So gusto kong personally na ma-experience at matikman kung ano yung lasa ng sineserve nilang food doon. And gusto rin nating makausap yung owner ng A-Mart. So, supposedly last year pa to na we are planning to go there but then we are so busy. So now, sa wakas ay magagawa na natin. So, let's go.
Dito yung A-Mart. Saan yung A-Mart siya? Yung Filipino resto dito. Nakapagpa-reserve kami doon kasi after namin manood ng Breadwinner, we need to eat. So we are here. Yun siya. First time kong, tagal ko na siyang gustong puntahan, but then, long time, kaya ngayon pa lang ako makakapunta dito. Ayan siya. Kakain. Pa-reserve ako dito.
Welcome.
Don't worry. Ito yung A-Mart dito sa Montparnasse. Charan!
Guys, dito kami ngayon sa Pinoy Resto.
A-Mart. A-Mart Paris.
Yan, kain tayo ng dinner.
Yan siya. So we're here kami ng suman. Their suman is 3 euro each. Yan, yung suman nila. And meron siyang ganitong
Nalinis namin to eh.
hopiang munggo. Yan. And then we ordered that one. Yes, inasal. And then we ordered also the beef tapa. This one. This is beef tapa. And then daing. We ordered daing also.
Ano yan sa topla? Ano yan siya?
This one is, yes, sisig. Sisig siya. Ayan, sisig. Yan yung, dito lang yan sa A-Mart, dito sa Montparnasse. Ito yung address niya. Montparnasse, Paris 40. Nakalimutan ko kailan yung date ng pag-open nila. But supposedly, parang gusto kong pumunta dito. Kaya lang, we are so, lack of time ba. So ngayon, ito, yan siya. Ito yung mga products ng mga natin. Yung mga lutong pagkain nila. And then doon may mga yan, mamasitas there also, yan. And then nag-serve na din sila. Yan nga, yung order kami. Nag-serve sila ng pagkain. So there, you can focus on there. Doon sa pagluto. Yan. So they are preparing our order. And then, that's good. Anyway. So, halika na. Nakalala ko si LV nung nag-invite. No, it's not gastronomic. It's exhibit. Yung exhibit ng Cial Paris. Nung pumunta dito yung mga kababayan natin, yung mga businessmen from Philippines, like mamasitas, and yung mga business owners sa Bicol, and then nag-exhibit sila doon isa sila sa mga exhibitors sa Ciel Paris noong October. So pinahiram ko kasi yung ID ko noon sa kanya, and then she asked me na to come here and to visit her place and like that. But because we are so busy, kaya ngayon lang tayo nakapunta dito. So we are waiting for our order. We are free anyway, but we are so hungry because of the smell. It's nakakatakam yung smell ng niluluto nila. Daing and inasal and tapa. Yun yung order namin. Ayan siya. So since andito na tayo, bibili na rin tayo ng ating
stocks we have there. So, dahil Pinoy tayo, we need to buy this one. The sardines. Yan. Up. And then, we need more. Kasi pantawid gutom siya kapag ka.
Nakakamiss din kaya po.
Kasi kapag ka, alam mo yun, pagka yung nagmamadali ka, wala kang na-prepare na pagkain. So, eto lang. So, how many do we need to buy? And also, 158 yan.
160.
158.
Wala yung 160.
160, 1.60.
100 na.
And also here we have the bayabawang, mamasitas, and hopya. Ayan yun.
Masarap yun? Masarap to?
Condrings chicharon. Ayan, meron palang product dito si Condrings chicharon. Chicharon lamang. So how much is this? 8 de. You try it. Masarap ito. Naimas. Ay, Ilocano. Naimas daw.
Anong naimas?
Naimas, it's yummy. Oh, in Ilocano, it's naimas.
Okay.
So, the owner of this Condrings is Ilocano? Let's find out.
Maraming tao, mahirap.
So, this is our first order. You have the daing with java rice, and yung atsara nila is carrot. And now, we already have our tapa and the mang inasal. The tapa is so yummy. Look at that. Wow. Kain.
Hindi ako makasubo ng
Kanting tikal. Ay, wow. Thank you.
Hindi ako makasubo ng kasi naka-video. Kasi gusto ko mag-travel
Ayan.
kami
Naubos nila. Grabe.
Padalhin ko yun.
Sarap
Padalhin
ba?
ko to. Hindi ko na madala
Si
yun.
Chami?
Yummy.
Yummy?
We need the soup.
We need soup. So, we're waiting for the soup. Naubos siya. Look at that. Simot. So, here's our soup now. It's like bulalo, but it was mixed with like sinigang and bulalo. They blend it. Ayan. So, tayo ng ube for our dessert. This is ube. Ayan siya. So, we're done. Natikman natin yung napakasarap nilang pagkain dito sa A-Mart, and pinaunlakan tayo ni ma'am na ma-interview siya saglit and makakwentuhan siya. Thank you, ma'am. So, yung in-order namin na pagkain dito at natikman namin is yung tapa, yung daing na bangos, and yung bulalo na may blend ng sinigang. And lastly, yung kanilang inasal na tastes like home talaga. And it's so tasty. It's more than the inasal na hinahanap-hanap natin. So, we found it here in
even have the
A-Mart.
mascara behind. Because that one, I'm gonna show you the mascara.
So, what's the...
It symbolizes the mascara in Bacolod City because we have mascara festival. Yes, that one. So this is the mascara, which is from Bacolod. Yes.
So, A-Mart is originally from Bacolod talaga siya.
Yes, actually, majority of our dishes are like, they would say, Ilonggo. we know na
Ang inasal is from Bacolod talaga.
yes, it's from Bacolod.
It's from original Mang Inasal.
Yes, because as it's like Joel Torre who like introduced like Bacolod Inasal to people all over the Philippines. And he was the one who brought like the Mang Inasal, he introduced the recipe of the Bacolod chicken inasal. And then they were able to like commercialize it and make it as Mang Inasal. But you know, the real inasal is anybody could have or interpretation of the inasal, which is like they thought it's like only a chicken barbecue, but it's not a chicken barbecue. So inasal has its own what we call orasyon, because it's like, you know.
That's why it's too different.
Oh,
Like,
believe it or not, when we do our chicken, we do it one by one. We season them one by one before it's like marinated. And then it takes like at least like very, very long time to marinate it because we don't use any preservatives. So it's like natural preservatives, like salt and pepper and all that, and all the herbs that we're like using for the inasal. So we're trying to like do the authentic taste of the Bacolod chicken inasal. And that's the reason why it's like very juicy.
Yeah.
And it's not going to dry up. Even if you can like test our chicken. If you get our chicken soon, we are planning to commercialize it, like putting it in vacuum so that like people can buy it and cook it, and then they can cook it like at home, for example, without serving it like here. We're trying to like have a look on it, like making mass production of that and like, you know, distribute it to people.
that's great because they can just buy it in the supermarket like that.
Yes, we're
If
trying to
it's,
like put it like that way so that like the tapa
It's
as well.
easy for them. Yes. The tapa is really
Yes, yeah.
it's juicy. That's why. So,
It's so soft.
pwede mo siya kainin even you are medyo oldies na kasi mahirap ang grind natin pagka medyo oldies na tayo. So, hindi ka matatakot to taste it or to eat it kasi soft na siya. Soft and juicy.
And it's also the quality of the meat, because when you're like using French meat, you have like a really good tender meat, and they take away all the like fatty side of the meat, which is
that's
like
why.
yes, and I would say it's like less fat because we're like trying to avoid fats with that one. And well, as what we said, we cure our meat like naturally. We don't use any preservatives with our meat. We are like using like natural preservatives to cure them. So it takes time, and the time is like really very crucial for the meat to like develop the flavor. We cannot only, for example, we need to wait like 2 days is not enough for the curing of the meat. We need to wait this time in order for it to have the flavor before we can sell it. That's the reason why we always have preparation in advance.
Invite those people or let them know that your product is different from.
Yes, of course, like everybody have their like culinary DNA. Me myself, I worked in a Michelin star restaurant before, so I know that, you know, flavor is coming from, of course, the uniqueness, ingredients which are on season, because that's what we are trying to use so that you can save when it comes to costing, and of course the quality is like very good if it's in season. And of course, we are consuming our products. You can see we have kids here,
Yes.
who also like, you know, consume our products. That's the reason why we eat what we serve. So we are paying attention what we serve, and we're trying to like serve food which is like as much as possible balance. Like as what we said, we are like already like present in social media, in Google, and soon we will be present in Four or TripAdvisor, wherein people can like reserve their seats before coming. And we also have
Because I always reserve in pork. I
yes,
go to restaurant, I
yes.
reserve in pork. So that's why I know that pork it's different. Like if you are there, you are so lucky. Yeah,
So we're trying to like raise our bar on top.
that's
So,
really
you know,
great.
serving I mean, we're introducing Filipino cuisine to like local people, for French people, that, you know, Filipino cuisine is not only about adobo, which is greasy, very salty, and
Exactly.
very oily. Now it's like something else. We are trying to like introduce something that we can be proud of, like
Of course.
when French people are eating our tapa, we are serving them tapa, and then the chicken, oh my gosh, they were like crazy about it because they would say, oh, this one is like totally different.
Yun yung dapat maging target natin, those local market, not only Filipinos. Because doing business
Minority-
in Philippines,
exactly.
you do that. So we are here in France. We need to spread our businesses. So someday, makikilala tayo sa market that also we are like not only the Chinese or other Asiatic.
It's not only the minority that would be that would like, recognize our cuisine, but also like the local people, because they are the market that we are trying to target. And of course, some people would say, I already know how to cook that, so I don't need to like taste it. But when we are trying to like introduce it to the local market, we are like trying to making our to spread our market, which just means that the business is like better with local people as well. We are not neglecting of course our fellow Filipinos. That's the reason why we still like stick with the authentic taste,
Yes.
but we are trying to like put it
Blend, like-
yes, we are trying to like as well how do you call this, fit in the needs of like local people, because well, at the end of the day, this is where we can get a bigger market.
Exactly.
And that's the reason why is what we said, we are like looking forward into like spreading A-Mart everywhere. Like there are a majority of our clients, if you can see in our Google ratings, are coming from all over the world. Majority are like foreigners, like Filipinos visiting from all over the world. Majority are like Americans from Northern Europe coming here just to taste the food. And majority of them like leave comments and pictures in our Google.
We will do it also
Yes.
because we are so satisfied. So
You can visit
Yes.
you can visit our you can click our profile in Google, and then you can post photos, and then you can rate us what you can say, because that is really like organic marketing, wherein people are telling their real experience. And it's that one, you cannot fake it. When people are not happy with your food,
Exactly.
they're not going to like give you like good rates.
So people can reserve at here.
Yes, we have our QR code here, which is A-Mart Paris, and we are also present in Instagram. So anytime that you are like sending us a message, we promise you maximum of 12 hours to reply. But most of the time, I reply immediately as soon as I get some
in
messages.
the kitchen, you can visit the kitchen, open kitchen.
We are preparing your food in front of you. We are not hiding anything from you.
Yes. So you see, it's a healthy way of.
You're preparing also tea?
Yes, we're doing tea, like green. We have like majority of tea, organic.
We should have also that one, but
We have a green tea, mint tea, yuzu tea.
they have this
oolong
one.
tea, matcha.
Wow.
We have matcha. Yes, we have matcha. So we have we actually most of the time we have brown rice as well here, because us, we are like consuming that one, brown and red rice. We're like serving so that like fiber rich.
Yes, exactly.
We're trying to like promote how we eat so that people will eat the same way as what we eat. That it's not only about, we have a lot of like things to be proud of in the Philippines. We have a lot of like food to be proud of in the Philippines. So we need to like, especially the ube cakes. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you.
the ubi cake too.
You
is
did this
so-
one. We have
You
this
did it?
ubi cake. Yes, we have the ubi cake. And of course, believe it or not, like locals are crazy about this. We have also bilo-bilo. This is bilo-bilo with pandan. Yes. Pandan. We are using pandan. Yes, we have like a lot of like we're trying to like source like
And our dessert, we hoovered your ubi cake.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's really very good. The cakes are really very good. You know that
I thought from other Philippines.
no,
So
most
you
of
did it also.
most of the time we are other Filipinos or kababayan were like asking why we're not accepting other like products or like ulam from other like entrepreneurs. First thing is we are paying attention about the meat, which is all our meat are accredited suppliers. They are French meat. We always have like Label Rouge or how do you call this? Fermier. So these are like, meats which are like more expensive compared to the local meats. That some people, they don't care about the food handling. Yes. They don't care about
Even for the quality.
yes, the quality of the meat. It's cheap, but you know, it goes wrong very easily. Our meat when they come here, it's like all sealed, vacuum sealed. And it's all fresh. And yeah, we can show you our fridge next time if you come and to show you the real thing.
That's great to know.
Yeah, because we are like really paying attention about what we eat. So, and that's the reason why majority of people are telling us that, you know what, we prefer to like pay premium, a little bit more expensive, but we know what we're eating.
Yeah, exactly.
We are eating and consuming quality, guilt-free food. That's our goal.
Yes, yes.
So as much as possible, like serve people guilt-free food. Like we, of course, we are asking our customers to like wait a little bit because we need to like prepare the food freshly. It's very
So I can't wait to eat your bok choy.
yes. Hopefully, we're like trying to like we're trying to like do the authentic La Paz bok choy.
Yeah.
One of our cooks is from Iloilo,
Oh.
so she's really a bok choy girl.
I can't wait to taste that.
Yes,
So it's like someday you are planning to branch out like that.
yes, we are
Because,
actually there are some other people are already like interested for us to like, you know, we are open for negotiations if there's anyone who's like interested to get our concept, and we are all already like accepting proposals from other people, but you know, well, me myself, I'm like, you know, we have lawyers to like deal with other people and like jurists to do the negotiation, because of course here in France you cannot do business like on your own.
on your own.
It's like everything is like how do you call this? Everything is like written in paper, black and white. So yeah. So we're open for, we never know. We have a vision for A-Mart, which is our concept. We wanted not to only spread in France or in Paris, but we wanted if there are people who are like interested in other places
Other
like
countries, like-
Madrid, Barcelona, where we have a lot of kababayans, or even in Italy, or even in Austria, we also have a lot of kababayans there.
You are prepared
So-
for that.
No, everything we have, everything is ready. And we know,
Absolutely.
because our recipes are standardized. That's the reason why it's easy for us to pass it to other people who's like very interested to like franchise.
So yun, nakausap natin ang may-ari ng A-Mart, which is we're so glad na pinaunlakan niya tayo to have some conversation with her, share some of her plans for the futures, and nakakatuwang kausap si ma'am because she have a lot of plan, and sobrang nakaka-good vibe siyang kausap. She is also planning to help other Filipinos na gustong mag-start din ng mga businesses nila. So I'm so glad kasi that's exactly our mission, to connect the opportunities to those Filipinos na gustong mag-start ng mga businesses. Because we in FEIAP, we provide and support ecosystem for Filipino entrepreneurs in France. We also offer resources, mentorship, and networking opportunities to help Filipino entrepreneurs thrive in French business landscape. Ang sarap kausap ng mga taong they also want the success of other people. Kaya pag nakakausap kami ng ganung mga tao, we are so happy kasi yun yung mismong plan namin eh. Yung mawala sa atin yung mga crab mentality. Sana tayo ay kung may mga ideas tayo, we can communicate each other. We can kasi pwede nating pwede nating pagtulong-tulungan kung ano man yung mga kakulangan, kung ano man yung kailangan na dapat ay nandyan. Kung magtutulong-tulong kasi ang bawat isa sa atin, magagawa natin. Siya yung nakausap ko na may good heart din, hindi madamot na mag-share ng knowledge and opportunities sa mga kababayan or other people na gusto rin mag-start ng businesses nila. Because I believe that there's a certain people na deserve talagang matulungan, deserve talaga na mag-guide para yung mga ideas at yung mga mistakes na napagdaanan natin sa mga businesses natin ay pwede nating i-share sa kanila para hindi nila pagdaanan yung ganun kahirap. Because ng mga time na namin ay wala pang mga mentors na ganito. Wala pang nag-guide, walang alam. Kaya ito yung pinaka-mission namin to empower Filipinos, to empower Filipino businesses here in France, and also hindi lang dito, at we are at hindi lang dito, kundi ma-spread natin yung mga businesses natin, like si ma'am na plan din pala niya na ma-spread yung business niya kung saang lupalop ng bansa, and we are so happy, and we are trying our best na ma-connect sa mga opportunities. I believe na there's a lot of opportunities out there, pero hindi natin nakikita because kulang tayo sa information or kulang tayo sa breeds. So here in FAYAP, we are trying to have the community engagement. So that's it. If you like more of this, please follow and share na din ang aming Facebook page, and also you can visit us in our Instagram account, and soon we are launching our website, so you can check how to be a member of FAYAP. So that's it for today. Thank you and have a good day.